I think you're going to really enjoy this subject. I do find that the woodland and forest scenes we do are quite popular with members. And what's unique about this is that for this year, and I don't know why, but in Derbyshire we've had autumn colour in the trees right up to late November, when you'd have expected them to probably just bear branches by then. And we're filming in November, but you'll probably be watching this, because of the nature of it, you'll probably be watching this in January or February, by which time you might be fed up with all the grey, misty, murky weather. So here's a bit of a tonic of some lovely warm autumnal colours. A great subject to get stuck into. Lots to do, but keep it quite loose and don't try to follow the photograph too slavishly. Use it more of an inspiration than something to copy. Happy painting.